Welcome back to our channel. Pickleball lovers, it's 2025, and the game just keeps getting hotter. But let me ask you this, is your paddle holding you back, or helping you dominate the court? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best pickleball paddles of 2025, the ones that are crushing the competition this year. Whether you're a beginner looking to step up or a seasoned player hunting for that extra edge, I've got you covered. And, of course, I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Stick around till the end, because our number 1 pick might just surprise you. Kicking things off at number 5, the Vatic Pro Prism Flash. This paddle is sleek, fast, and packs a serious punch. Built with thermoformed edges and a raw carbon face, the Prism Flash is a dream for spin artists and power players alike. Engineered for players who crave control, consistency, and confidence on the court. The Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm paddle is where cutting-edge design meets unmatched value. Thoughtfully crafted with foam-injected edge walls and a cold-molded unibody construction, this paddle offers a plush feel with remarkable precision, without the overbearing pop of traditional thermoformed paddles. A unique, non-heat-intensive process adds exceptional control and touch, reducing the overly stiff feel of other paddles. Boosts stability, enlarges the sweet spot, and softens impact, making resets and dinks more effortless than ever. Integrated inserts minimize vibration for a buttery smooth feel with every shot. Delivers elite-level spin, lasting durability, and pro-grade responsiveness, far outlasting fiberglass or lower-tier carbon options. Whether you're controlling the kitchen or blasting a passing shot, the Prism gives you the perfect balance of control and finesse, without sacrificing versatility. Coming in at number 4, Bread and Butter's Filth. And yes, it lives up to the name. This paddle brings serious filth to the table with insane spin potential. It's got grit, literally, and it's perfect for aggressive playmakers who love to control the tempo. Bring the heat and a whole lot of spin with the Bread and Butter Filth. This paddle isn't just built for performance, it's designed for players who like to take control of the point, dictate the pace, and finish with flair. The Filth features a gritty, raw carbon fiber face for maximum spin potential and touch, paired with a responsive polypropylene honeycomb core that delivers a solid pop and deadly placement. Whether you're dropping it perfectly at the kitchen or ripping drives down the line, this paddle brings a dangerous combo of control, aggression, and style. Because your opponents won't know what hit them. Unleashes vicious spin and control. Built for clean shots, even when off-center. Aesthetics as clean as your footwork. Great for both aggressive play and soft hands. At number 3, now this one's turning heads everywhere, the Gearbox Pro Power. Engineered with patented SST core technology, this paddle delivers explosive power without sacrificing precision. It's like a laser-guided missile in your hand. Dominate every rally with the Gearbox Pro Power, where next-gen tech meets elite performance. Built for players who want to hit harder, react faster, and control every shot with confidence, this paddle is a powerhouse of innovation. At its core, Gearbox's patented solid span technology, SST, a game-changer that delivers unmatched durability, responsiveness, and pop. With a carbon fiber unibody construction, the Pro Power offers a lightning-quick response, a massive sweet spot, and energy transfer that feels like an extension of your hand. Whether you're blasting drives or carving precise slices, the Pro Power is built to keep up with your most intense gameplay. Unibody carbon fiber construction for strength, speed, and consistency. Even off-center shots come off clean and powerful. Designed for aggressive play without sacrificing touch. Clean feedback with reduced arm fatigue. Ideal for competitive players looking to combine explosive power with the precision of a surgeon's scalpel. At number 2, it's the CRBN 3X Power Series. If you like to dominate from the baseline and finish at the net, this one's for you. This paddle is versatile, responsive, and designed to balance power with pinpoint control. CRBN nailed it with this one. Take your game to the next level with the CRBN 3X Power Series paddle, built for players who want unstoppable power without sacrificing control. Engineered for high-performance play, the 3X features a T700 raw carbon fiber face and thermoformed unibody construction, giving you elite-level spin, unmatched durability, and a responsive feel that adapts to every shot. Whether you're blasting winners from the baseline or dinking at the kitchen, the CRBN 3X gives you the perfect blend of controlled aggression and finesse. This paddle was designed to empower competitive players who play fast, smart, and hard. Delivers maximum spin and surface grip. For a solid, consistent feel and added durability. Expands the sweet spot and minimizes vibration. Ideal for aggressive players who want precision placement. The CRBN 3X Power Series isn't just a paddle, it's a competitive edge. Our top paddle of 2025, the 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control. This is the paddle that's redefining what control looks like. It's smooth, responsive, and dangerously precise. If you're tired of sacrificing power for placement, or vice versa, this is your golden ticket. The paddle trusted by pros, built for players who demand nothing but control, consistency, and championship-level performance. The Double Black Diamond Control by 6-0 is more than just a paddle, it's a precision instrument crafted for those who want to outthink, outplay, and outlast the competition. Designed with a T700 raw carbon fiber face, foam-injected edge walls, and a thermoformed unibody build, this paddle offers buttery smooth control, enhanced stability, and spin potential that gives you the edge in every rally. Whether you're defending at the kitchen or executing a perfectly placed third shot drop, the Double Black Diamond responds with elegance, finesse, and just the right touch of power. Delivers pro-level spin and touch. Expands sweet spot and reduces vibration. Built for unmatched consistency and durability. Tailored for placement, resets, and net play mastery. If you're serious about control, consistency, and confidence under pressure, this is your paddle. The Double Black Diamond Control gives you the tools to take control of the court and never give it back. Alright, pickleballers, that's our list of the top 5 best pickleball paddles for 2025. Whether you're playing rec or chasing medals, the right paddle can totally change your game. Drop a comment below, which paddle are you rocking this year? And if this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and smash that bell for more pickleball content weekly. Links to all the paddles are in the description below. Grab one and get out there!